Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Ijaz Yusuf from Masas National School Senior Boys Campus Rawali Kent Gujranwala. This is biology lecture for 9 Super 1 and 9 Super 2B. It is lecture number 10. Chapter number 5. Chapter name is Cell Cycle. Meiosis. Page number 95. Features of today's lecture: somatic and germline cells, meaning of meon, diploid cells, 2n, haploid cells, n, who discovered meiosis, definition of meiosis. Here we will discuss somatic and germline cells and their mode of division. Somatic cells. Somatic cells are those cells which form the body of organisms. Somatic cells are those cells which form body of organism. Somatic cells undergo mitosis, whereas germline cells are those cells which give rise to gametes. Germline cells undergo meiosis. Here is two diagrams of somatic cells. Somatic mean body cells, for example, skin, liver, eyeball. All these structures are made up of somatic cells. Whereas gamete cell, you can also call them sex cells. For example, egg or sperm, DNA here gets passed on to next generation. Meaning of meon. The word meiosis comes from Greek word meon, meaning to make smaller, since it results in reduction in chromosome number. Few terms related to meiosis, that is diploid and haploid cells. Diploid cells meaning 2n. It means the cells in which chromosomes are in pairs, that is homologous pairs. Haploid cells 1n. It means cells with half the number of chromosomes, that is chromosomes are not in the form of pairs. Here you see diploid 2n. Here are two copies of each chromosome. Three pairs of homologous chromosome of maternal and paternal origin. This is one pair, this is second, this is third pair. Whereas in haploid cell, only one copy of each chromosome. Three non-homologous chromosome, number 1, number 2 and number 3. Discovery of meiosis. Meiosis was discovered and described for the first time in 1876 by a German biologist, Oscar Hartwig. The preparatory steps of meiosis are identical, meaning same, to the interphase of mitosis. Now, definition of meiosis. Meiosis is a process by which one diploid 2n eukaryotic cell divides to generate 4 haploid 1n daughter cells. Here you see it is one parent cell. It has generated 4 copies of haploid cell. Dear student, here is an assignment for you. Differentiate between somatic and germline cells. What is meaning of meon? Define diploid and haploid cells. Define meiosis. Who discovered meiosis? Okay, dear student, see you in next lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.